Presenting the Godrej Eon 28-liter convection microwave oven, which makes eating healthy a habit and is suitable for families with 5 to 7 members. This microwave lets you do all sorts of cooking with a healthy twist. So now enjoy flavors of fried food, healthy breakfast and snacks, and a lot more. It also lets you make paneer and ghee with ease, in addition to cooking, grilling, baking, and defrosting easily at home. The stainless steel helps in keeping the cavity rust-free and also increases its life. With the deodorizer steam clean feature, keep the microwave oven free from odor and germs. The Godrej Microwave comes with 255 Indian and international Insta-Cook menus that lets you cook and relish dishes from across the globe. Download Insta Chef app with 28 plus recipe videos. This MWO is loaded with safety features like child lock, wave filter protection, dual thermal protection, and control panel membrane protection. It comes with a touch panel LED display that lets you control your microwave with just a simple touch. Visit the product detail page to know more about warranty, installation, and other details.